lot of questions going on with BlueCruise, and first of all, let's show you exactly how to get it functioning. First of all, you're just going to easily, for free, download that Ford Pass. You're going to create an account and activate it. And once you've done that and you've activated the vehicle, well, let's show you how it works. Now, it's very simple. You turn on, you hit your cruise control button right here, like you'd normally hit cruise control. You can hit set, choose to go a little faster. And now it's currently a yellow or green logo or icon right here of the vehicle with a steering wheel. When that turns blue, that means your BlueCruise is ready to take over. Is lane changing, where all you have to do is hit the blinker, and when the vehicle sensors see that there's an adjacent space available, it will safely change you into the lane you want to go into. Really self-driving? Well, it's partial driving automation. Advanced driving systems are capable of taking over the acceleration, steering, and braking of your vehicle under certain circumstances. You must still stay alert, so the system will want you to keep your eyes on the road. Now, what consists of this system? Well, of course, it's lane centering. So as you can see, the vehicle is keeping itself in the center of a lane, even when we're going through a corner on the highways. So it will slow down if someone is going slower than you in front of you, and if they move out of the way, well, then your vehicle will go back to its original set speed. So it's, I'm doing this with no feet, and of course, you can have no hands on the steering wheel while you're in BlueCruise mode. But do remember, the little logo for the vehicle and the steering wheel do need to be blue. Times that it won't be blue are such when the conditions are adverse. So if the conditions are adverse, meaning the vehicle cannot see the lines, the logo will stay green, meaning you have your adaptive cruise control and lane centering function, which are still fantastic options. Now, there are over 200,000 kilometers of BlueCruise roads across North America, and that is growing every month. Now, many people wonder, do I have to pay a monthly fee for BlueCruise? Well, your vehicle will come equipped with BlueCruise for either a 90-day trial or a 3-year period, at which point you can buy either monthly for about $75 a month, or a yearly subscription for $800 a month, or pay $2,100 for another 3 years of service. Appreciate this system where I can just focus on the road and not have to control the gas pedal, the brake pedal, and the steering. Thank you so much for joining us. Take care.